In this video, we will discuss physics class 11th chapter rotational motion or rotatory motion. So first, what is rotational motion? When a body rotates about a fixed point, then it is called rotating motion, just like Earth around its axis, the wheel of the vehicle, etc. Then what is torque? When a body performs rotational motion about a fixed point called point of rotation, and the axis passing through this is called axis of rotation, then product of mass applied on the body and perpendicular distance of line of action of force from axis of rotation is called torque. Toe. That is vector toe equals vector F cross vector R. It is a vector quantity and unit is Newton meter. Dimension is ml square t minus 2. As we know that vector product A cross B equal AB sin theta. So F cross R equals FR sin theta, and theta is 90 here between R vector and F vector, so it will become 1. This is the torque or moment of force. If body rotates anti-clock, then torque is positive. If clockwise, it is negative. There are some terms. Angular displacement. Suppose a particle is moving on circular path performing rotational motion, then arc upon radius is known as the angular displacement and unit is radian. Angular velocity. The angle subtend in per unit time at center is known as angular velocity and it is denoted by omega. If time interval is very small, then instant angular velocity is d theta upon dt, and in terms of time of period, omega equals to pi upon t, and in terms of frequency, omega equals to 2 pi mu. It is the frequency, number of rotation in per unit time. Now angular acceleration, change in angular velocity in per unit time, unit radian per second square, and instant angular acceleration d omega upon dt. Now relation between angular velocity and linear velocity. Linear velocity is equal to radius of path into angular velocity, and linear acceleration is equal to r into alpha, angular acceleration. What is moment of inertia? When a body performs rotational motion, then it opposes the change in its state or position. This is called moment of inertia of the particle. Suppose a particle of mass m is performing rotational motion about point O, axis of rotation. The distance of mass from axis of rotation is r. Then product of mass and square of the distance of particle from axis of rotation is known as moment of inertia, and its unit is kilogram meter square. In CGS, unit is gram centimeter square. Thank you.